Reconciliation is one of those words that sounds like it belongs in a courtroom, but all it really means is, do my books match my bank statement? And in Big Easy Books Plus, it's actually kind of satisfying. Let me show you. You go to any financial institution. So I'm in accounts and categories, and I'd go into checking. And in the checking account, you'll see that there's a reconciliations tab. I click on New Reconciliation, and you'll see a simple setup form. You want to grab your bank statement and enter 4 things. So I've entered the starting and ending date and the balances, and now I'm going to start reconciling. And you'll see the worksheet come up here. And if I click on this button, it shows that everything's cleared and we're down to 0. And we just click on Finish and Reconcile. The app will generate a reconciliation report, and you'll see it here in the history. Now, what used to take hours now takes just minutes. And honestly, it's really oddly satisfying when it comes to